actually survived. So these go by many different names. There's a lot of different manufacturers. Sentinel, Dennis being amongst them. Typically these were all powered by the same US origin Ford V8 side valve petrol engine with about 3.8 litres of displacement. Territory very aggressively, so we had to rearm and rearm fast. So companies such as Hillman almost had to turn all of their production over to military service, and the RAF specifically in 1938 and 39 had approximately 90% of Hillman Minx production, with the remaining 10% being to essential civilian users, a few to the British Army and a few to the Royal Navy apparently, but the vast majority being the RAF.